Okay, hello, this is Wayne-O-Matics Labs Organoplastic High Power product line. All products were completely developed by Wayne-O-Matics Labs. This is a 5 interlock system. Kids do not attempt this at home or untrained personnel. Currents here can cause sudden death. This is to show what my plastic products can do. This is a slightly doped copper product, and that's over 50% plastic. So here we go with this product test. There's a blow dryer. 5.1 amps, 1.4 volts. For Agana Plastic Process 4015. Here's Agana Plastic Process 4012. Plastic gloves are worn for safety, for execution safety. 1.7 volts at 5 amps. Running the blow dryer through plastic. That was Agana Plastic Process 4012. Now we have the Organoplastic pencil. We're going to try. This is a pencil tube I made. Here's the Organoplastic pencil. 27 volts at 1 amp. And smoke. And Smoke-A-Rolla. Beautiful.